Hello everyone, welcome back to Northern Indiana EAS, and today we're here to unbox this radio I got off Amazon. I'm sorry, I have the hiccups right now. Oh, come on, there we go. I think some of y'all collectors probably know this radio right here, which is this one. I'm just gonna go over there for now. So here's the radio. It's in smaller than I was expecting. Alright, so I don't have any batteries right now for this, so I'm gonna have to wait on that. Alright, so this radio looks very confusing to me. Smells brand new. Alright, let's try to get this thing set up. If I can. I'll put that there and I'll get this antenna, which I'm gonna use probably for this radio right here because I need to have some good reception or something. Oh, something. Power adapter for it, which I think could fit the. I'm gonna have to put this down for a sec. Okay. Alright, so this is where we're at. So I'll do with the boring strobe here and the strobe here in a minute. Some of y'all collectors out there say it's trash. I have no clue why, but that's all of you'll say. It's your opinion to you all. Okay, okay, come on. Okay. Come on. There we go. Maybe. Nope. Nope. That did not work. Okay, so it requires 3 AAAs? 3 AAAs or... Oh, it's double A's. Never mind. Okay, I got this set up. Alright. I'm gonna take the screen off of this, because I don't no longer need it. Okay, that did not go to plan. This is literally confusing. Okay, okay, I'm gonna put this here so I can kind of untangle this. There we go. Alright, so we got this untangled. I don't know what version this is. Okay, alright. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Looks like I came out somewhere in... Nope. I don't need any of that. What I would like, though, is how do I get this screen off here? Button view. Okay, so menu. Location, no. Backlight. Button beeps. Select. Location. Alert type. How do we do weather? How do we do weather? There we go.
hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 60%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. South wind 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Can we
Gusts up
that
to
off?
20 miles per
Hello?
hour in the evening. Chance of rain 70%.
Hello?
Tuesday, likely in the morning, then showers with a chance of storms in the afternoon. South wind 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%.
There we go. I'm not gonna do FM because I don't want to get copyrighted. Location. All. Now. Down. Black light. Okay, so we'll do 3. Set update time. That's what I kind of figured. Do channel 7. Because that's where I am. Alert time. What is this on? Voice. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna set up the radio on the shelf way up there. I already know it's gonna disconnect through itself. That's what I figured. Okay, I'm gonna put this back here for a sec to try to make some bit of room. Can I try and do this, please? Thank you. Come on. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, weather radio. Thank you. Can this fit in the space? Can this fit in the space? This right here, there's a plug right here, maybe 1 or 2. Okay, there we go. Alright. Alright, so it is. So I'm going to do menu. Beeps. Channel. No, wrong one. Channel. Button beeps. Black light. It's fine right there. Date. It is 2026. Nope, hold on. That's the wrong one.
3, and the relative humidity 50%. The wind was east at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.95 inches and falling. Around the region, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 80 at Portland, 84 at Coldwater, 83 at Defiance, 81
I'm gonna
at
turn it
Toledo.
off because I don't want that to expose to where I live. Oh, come on. Can this stand just be holding up for like 3 minutes, please? 3 minutes. Okay, I got it to where it will work. Alright. I have the antenna up now. Ah, come on. Can I just get this squeeze in here? Thank you. How do I peel the rest of the sticker off? I need to figure out how to do that. Sorry if my phone is on the recon. I'm trying to figure out how to get this.
The normal amount of 1.
Nope. Okay, there we go. Alright, there we go. I got the screen off finally. It takes some bit of patience to get it to work. Okay, we'll put that there. Alright, so now menu, down, date, select. It is 2026. 2024, no, 2026. 2025. Okay. This radio. This stand is so weak. Holy moly. Okay. I'm gonna probably have to disconnect it and probably get it through rewire again. Okay. 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 Let's see what to do here. There we go. Okay. I'm pretty sure this cable kind of goes through the cord, if I had to guess. Or maybe I could just do it like that. That might be what I have to do at this point of rate. Because this thing is not ideal with me right now. Because people say this radio is a hunk of junk. There's a lot of radio collectors out there who don't like this thing. They said it's the worst unboxing ever. I don't know why to those collectors out there why you would say that about this radio. I think it's fine, personally, for me. No, it is hard to program. Siren's really loud on this thing. Get that off the Recon. Alright. It's down. We'll go down. Date 2026. Is January, February, April, May, June. Alright. Okay. 7th. Okay. Alright. Time. It is. Okay, so we'll go down to PM. So 6. Oh, hello. Can I change? Okay. Okay. It's the 20. There we go. 24. Yeah. Done with that.
Storms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s.
Can you turn this down?
Chance of rain 20%. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ58
Nope.
in Fort Wayne.
Hopefully that didn't catch. Looks like a weird pop. It makes like a weird popping noise.
At Fort Wayne, skies were partly sunny. The temperature was 83 degrees.
The thing for some reason. What is happening?
50%.
What is this?
The wind was east at 9 miles an hour.
What is
The
happening?
pressure was 29.95 inches and falling.
Hello?
Around the...
There we go. That was weird. Oh my gosh. Oh.
85 at Indianapolis. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 83 at South Bend, 73 at Logansport, 79 at Lafayette, and 75 at Chicago.
You know what? I give up. Luckily that's static. Alright, that will conclude this. Oh, hold on. Before I do conclude this video, I'm gonna set up the external, just this little strobe. I'm gonna set this up. Keeping the box for this, because keeping the manual as well, just in case we need to work out something in the future. I ordered this yesterday. It's like, it gets dark every time. Is there a way for me to change that? Backlight, 3 is max. Okay, well, I can't do nothing with that. Still use the radio though. That's what I want to say. Alright, so since I have no AA batteries right now, it's gonna have to wait for a little bit for some more to come in. I haven't ordered any yet because I haven't thought about it. So I thought about maybe putting the strobe right about here. I think that's good actually. That's not a bad place, or maybe where that's up there. Let me see which looks better with this strobe. Okay, come on, hello. That works too. Come on. There we go. I don't know if y'all want to see this part, just me undoing the sticker. Not the sticker, I'm sorry. The unpeeling of the thing. There we go. It's very sticky, which is good. So maybe about like maybe like right here. Maybe like right there. Yeah. Okay. Now I need to figure out what this goes into. External alert. I'm gonna put that down for a minute. Okay, there we go. Alright, get that plugged in. Alright, what is, oh, it's that. Okay, never mind. Alright, that's kind of good attach. I'm gonna move this cord up here so it kind of gets out of the way. I know I have like probably like a tiny spot to put another radio there, but I feel like this shelf right here is full of weather radios now. Especially, yeah. Alright, that will conclude today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, this box, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you and subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, there we go. I don't want any of the alarms on right now because that will kind of disturb my peace of sleep, to be honest. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give this a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you in the next EOS compilation or the next unboxing.